Hello guys, this is Khalil Ahmed from Millennium Immigration Canada. Today I will explain in-demand occupations which have no job offer requirement, including no course. So stay with me till the end of this video. It will save your money and time. I will explain all these things here and what are the provinces which have those in-demand occupations and don't require a job offer. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. If you have any question, I will try to reach you as soon as possible. So let's start the topic. In-demand occupations, no list of all provinces without job offer. So there are some specific streams without a job offer. Some provincial nominee programs have specific streams that are targeted to candidates with work experience in specific occupations which is in demand in that particular province. In that case, there is usually no need to hold a job offer in order to be eligible to this stream. So this is a big advantage. Okay, you don't need a job offer from the employer in that provinces. You just write down to the province, send your application. Okay, if you have experience in that in-demand occupations, then if they like your application and you get fulfill other requirements, eligibility requirements, they will send you an invitation to apply. First one is Nova Scotia PNP, which is called Nova Scotia Demand Express Entry Category B stream. Actually, this stream is now permanently closed, but it doesn't mean that forever. It's periodically opens for a few hundred applications, and that is a popular stream which does not require a job offer from the applicant. Guys, this is very beneficial for those who wants to apply, because getting job offer from Canadian employer is not an easy task. And this stream is called Nova Scotia Demand Express Entry Category B. So you must keep your eyes open when the streams are opening and closing. So this is a few hours game, guys, because this is in demand things, so they cannot open this stream forever. So guys, it opens for few hours and then close it. So there are no course, okay, including the positions there like financial auditor and accountants, other financial officers, professional occupations in advertising, marketing, public relations, administrative assistants, accounting technicians, bookkeepers, civil engineers, registered nurses and registered psychiatric nurses, licensed practical nurses, college and other vocational instructors, paralegal and related occupations, social and community services workers. So right now it is closed, but keep an eye, okay, on canada.ca website. When it opens, it will be open for few hours. Just apply. The second one is New Brunswick, that is also Canadian province, and that has also in-demand occupation list here. So guys, this New Brunswick has a stream which is called New Brunswick Express Entry that accept applications from candidates without a job offer. But you must have fluency in French language and you must have to score CLB 7 in TCF Canada or TEF Canada, and that is French language examination. And you have to score at least 67 points on the Express Entry self-assessment grid. This in-demand occupation list is no longer published, but it doesn't mean that this is closed, okay? They does not publish it, The following list presents the in-demand occupation before they stop the publications. These are the no course here, guys. They require senior managers, financial communication managers in healthcare, restaurant and food service managers. These are all like managerial positions or executive position, and finally cook here also. This is the B skills. So guys, you can try your luck. You don't need a job offer from the New Brunswick employer. These occupations are in demand, in great demands. So just try your luck, send your application to the New Brunswick province and try to find out New Brunswick PNP program. So you have seen now this no course. Saskatchewan in demand occupations. This is also another Canadian province. Saskatchewan has two streams, which is called, first one is Saskatchewan Express Entry and the second one is occupation in demand stream. Both don't require a job offer to be eligible for this stream, but if you are an applicant, you have to score at least 60 points on the assessment grade, and second, you have to receive an invitation to apply. This is Ontario, where I am living. Ontario is a province. It has also in-demand occupations. So these are the in-demand occupation list here. So these occupations are in great demands in Ontario. If you are a computer and information system manager, or computer engineers, or database analyst and data administrator, or software engineer and designer, computer programmers and interactive media developer, or web designer and developer. Ontario OINP has one stream, which is called Human Capital Priorities. It does not require a job offer, guys. Manitoba, also another province of Canada, it has also in-demand occupation list here. They require welders, early childhood educator, children less than 5 years old, manufacturing supervisors, food service supervisor, fast food, construction managers, carpenters, painters and decorators, and cook as well. In this system, you no need a job offer, guys, from the employer in that province to be eligible. However, you will need to have close friends and or relatives residing in Manitoba to receive an invitation to apply. So guys, this is the condition, you don't need a job offer from the employer in Manitoba, but you must have close friends or relatives like brother, sister, or aunt, uncle, okay, or your close friends. They must be residing in Manitoba